Is your MacBook acting sluggish, freezing, or displaying unusual behavior? Entering safe mode can be your digital superhero. Safe mode is a diagnostic startup mode for your Mac that loads only essential system software, disables login items and startup programs you've installed, and performs basic system checks. This helps pinpoint if a third-party application or conflicting software is causing your problems. To begin, shut down your MacBook completely. Make sure it's powered off, not just asleep. Once your Mac is off, press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until you see the Startup Options window appear, which usually shows a gear icon labeled Options and your startup disk. In this window, select your startup disk, typically named Macintosh HD, and then press and hold the Shift key. While holding the Shift key, click Continue in safe mode. You'll see the word Safe Boot appear in the menu bar at the top of your screen once your Mac has successfully booted into safe mode. To exit safe mode, simply restart your MacBook. Normally, if your Mac functions correctly in safe mode, the issue is likely with a third-party startup item, login item, or extension. This process is invaluable for troubleshooting, diagnosing, and ensuring your MacBook's overall system stability. Happy troubleshooting!